In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Corecivic Inc. Corecivic manages correctional and detention facilities and related services in the United States. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker CXW. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires submitting an identity document. You will also need to add funds before you can place a purchase. On the platform, use the search bar and enter the ticker CXW. Choose the result that shows Corecivic Inc. to locate the correct share listing. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing displays Corecivic Inc. and the NASDAQ ticker CXW before proceeding. To invest, click Buy or Trade. Then enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares. Carefully review the order details and select the order type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens or be held as pending depending on the broker. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the transaction. After a successful purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it from there. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this exact example.